In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split pages in half in Canva. Splitting a page with guides is a simple way to keep your layout clean and precise, especially when your design relies on accurate measurements like brochures, invitations, planners, or balanced social media posts. Start by opening the project you want to work on in Canva. Once your design is on screen, look to the top left and click File, then choose Settings. In the Settings panel, turn on Show Rulers and Guides. As soon as this is enabled, you'll see rulers appear along the top and the left side of your canvas. These are your measurement references, and the guides you create with them won't print or export, so they're safe to use as visual helpers without affecting your final output. To create a vertical guide, move your cursor over the left ruler. Click and drag from that ruler onto your canvas. As you drag, a vertical line appears and follows your cursor. Position it where you want the split. For a perfect half, aim for the midpoint along the width of your page. Use the marks on the ruler to judge the center and take your time placing it. If you need extra precision, briefly zoom in so the ruler ticks are easier to read, then drop the guide right at the middle. You can do the same for a horizontal split. Hover over the top ruler, click and drag downward to pull out a horizontal guide, and slide it to the halfway point of your page height. This is especially helpful if you're designing two stacked sections, like a ticket with a tear line, or a flyer with top and bottom panels. Once your guides are placed, use them as boundaries or alignment references. As you move text boxes, images, and shapes, you may notice they subtly snap to the guideline, helping you keep everything perfectly aligned on either side. If the guide isn't exactly where you want it, just click and drag it again to reposition. You can add both a vertical and a horizontal guide to quickly visualize the exact center, or keep just one if a single split is all you need. Because guides are non-destructive, you can design confidently knowing they won't appear when you download or print. And whenever you want a clearer view, remember that the same show rulers and guides setting controls their visibility, so you can toggle them as needed. That's all you need to split a page in half in Canva using rulers and guides. It's quick, precise, and makes clean layouts much easier to build.